Hi guys, jumping in straight with my skincare first. So post my cleanser, I go in with this toner. I will make sure to put all the description in the description box and on the screen as well. After that, during daytime, I use a vitamin C serum. It evens out my complexion beautifully, and this is a serum that I have been loving lately. As you can see here, I am literally scraping it out of the bottle and it adds such a beautiful sheen of glow. I love this one. Then I follow in with my eye cream. That is the area where the signs of aging starts to show first. Be extra gentle with your eye area because it's very delicate. This is a moisturizer that I have started to use recently and I really like. And I see the hype. Why is it so viral? Do you see here how beautiful it looks on the skin? I make sure to massage it onto my neck as well. Follow in with my sunscreen. Do not skip sunscreen, you guys. It is very important. This is the sunscreen that I have been loving at the moment. It has a very beautiful light smell of rose and it is invisible on the screen. It's not screen, skin. Make sure to cover all the areas, jumping next to the makeup part. For my primer, I have been using this setting spray when I do not have much time, all over my face and then around my T-zone. I have been loving this primer. If you have big pores, you can give it a go because I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it beautifully blurs all the fine lines and textures and pores. For summer, I do not reach for any foundation. Recently, I've started using this skin tint and it just evens out my complexion, gives light to medium coverage, and it is long lasting, I would say, but I think I prefer my Fenty one over this one. First, I blend it in with that flat brush and then go in with a beauty blender. Now, whenever I use a skin tint, I go ham on my concealer to cover up my imperfections. For underneath my eyes, I have been using this HUDA Beauty Concealer, which is fairly new to me, and I think it is quite new to the market as well. Well, it is a good concealer, nothing great about it, but just to add a little bit of extra highlight underneath my eyes, I go in with my most favorite concealer, which is the Hourglass VANISH concealer. Do you see here how beautifully it added that highlight underneath the eye area? Then I lock in everything again with my setting spray. To set my concealer underneath my eyes and around my T-zone, I have been using this powder by Tilbury and with this puff. With a brush it also works, but with a puff I realized it gives me a more airbrush kind of a look. And for the rest of my face, I have been using this powder by GIORGIO ARMANI. You see here what a light sheen of glow this adds, and it sets everything else so nicely. I love this powder. I just wanted to lightly bronze up my face, nothing too crazy. For that I use this Tilbury one, just to add a little bit of warmth back to my skin. Usual places, sides of my nose, underneath my cheekbones, underneath my jawline. This is a really good bronzer. For my blush, it depends on what I am wearing that particular day. So today I used these two shades, which I believe complements our skin tone, like medium tan skin tone, so nicely. And as you can see here, the way I place the blush is a little different. Like literally wherever I have added the bronzer, right on top of it. For my highlight, this is the one that has a pink shift to it. And because I used that pink blush, so I wanted everything to be so cohesive. After the cream, I used the powder part. And these blushes by Patricia is so beautiful, you people. I love it. Now to tie everything together and to add a little bit of glow, because it's summer and I love glowing skin myself. I just added it sparingly all around, and then taking a sponge to blend in any harsh lines. Lastly, before I go in with my mascara and my eyes, I just sprayed this Benefit one. This is also a very good setting spray, I would say. Lately, I have been using just one and done eyeshadows kind of a thing. So I take this Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadow with my fingers. These eyeshadows are best used with your fingers, and apply it all over my eyelid and a little bit underneath my eyes as well. See how it will open my eyes so nicely. And just to blend the crease area and underneath my eyes, I use the same bronzer. Off camera, I did my eyebrows as well. This is an eye look which is so simple and quick. I always make sure to curl my lashes before I go in with my mascara, because it lifts my eyes so nicely. I used 2 coats of these mascaras. I always use waterproof ones because it holds my curls beautifully, and a light coat on my bottom lashes as well. This is my 3 seconds eyeliner. You see, this is as quick and as easy as it gets. This is a dark brown one. During a day, it looks more natural rather than a black eyeliner. For my lips, I used these 2 lipsticks, and this actually went in perfectly well with my blushes. These are by MAC and by MCGRATH. I mix in my lipstick always, you know me. And lastly, I added a little bit of this highlight at the very high points of my cheeks. So if you guys know me for a while, you will know none of my look is complete when I wear my favorite perfume. So my choice of perfume today are these 2, a combination of these 2, you guys. I have no words for it, how to explain it. One smells woody and a little salty, and this one smells floral. So when combined together, they smell so good. Like, every time, every single time I wore this perfume, everybody were like, what are you wearing? And like, it is a concoction that I created. So that is it for today's look, you guys. It was quick, simple, put together, yet very summer appropriate. And so I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you all have a very, very, very relaxing and happy weekend. Take care, love you, bye.